Hey, what's up, guys? Today on the 350Z blog, today we're gonna be changing the evap solenoid purge. This thing right here, this big piece of plastic, and then this is the solenoid, I guess, evap. This thing, this right here goes right here. I guess that's bad because I'm getting a check engine light, and then the code P0455, something like that. Something about the evap solenoid needing to be replaced. Like when you're at a gas station and you're trying to fill it up with gas, and then the gas pump just stops every second. And that's what the problem is. It's with this evap solenoid purge thingy majiggy. So I took it out in order to. This is on a 350Z 2008. I'm sure it applies to all the 350Zs, but to get this big plastic piece out, you gotta remove this metal piece, that metal piece. It's easy, guys. I mean, it just takes time to do it. But yeah, I got all the new parts right here. This part here, and then this big box right here. This big old box right here, guys. I'm gonna show you. So this is I guess the sensor, and it goes right here on this black piece. It goes like this. So this is the old piece. I'll show you the new one. This is the new one. It looks different from the old one, as you can see, guys, but pretty much the same thing, just brand new, and the old one. And then this is I guess the sensor. Right here, see, it's totally different. It looks different because they changed the look and the design over time, but it's pretty much the exact same thing. That's the exact same thing, just a newer model version, whatever. Again, this piece goes right here. You gotta twist it to get it out. Same thing. See, new piece, old piece. I'll put them right here, guys. The old one, old version, the new version, new piece, the old piece, and then of course this is the old I guess solenoid, whatever you call it. And then I got the new one right here. Yep, right here, guys. Brand new, brand old. You can see the difference, of course. I got this from Rock Auto. They sell new parts for a good price, not too expensive, not cheap either. So, cause it's brand new stuff, you know. Yeah. So all we gotta do is put these brand new sensor parts on this new part. Alright, guys, so this piece goes right here, and then this piece goes right here. Alright, guys, so I got the car running. I got the evap purge solenoid installed. connected right there, guys. I got all the pipes and the sensor connected. You can see it. Of course, you can hear the car running. Then let me go back up here. Here's the it's hard to see, but right there, guys, there's no check engine light anymore. It's gone. All that red stuff is the door open, seatbelt, brake. Of course, I got the emergency brake on right now, as you can see, because I got it on. I got the car jacked up on 4 jack stands so I can, you know, work on it. But yeah, guys, so that fixed the problem of gas evap, solenoid, whatever leak. Hopefully when I go to get the gas pump and try and fill up, it won't do that crap anymore. The pump won't stop every second. But anyway, that fixed my car problem on the 350Z, guys. So if you ever have any problem with your gas pump not filling up, stopping every second when you're trying to fill it up with gas, or you get a code P0455, yeah, that's what it means, guys. You guys got to replace your evap, purge, solenoid, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, again, this is the old one. I didn't even use this new sensor for it. I just kept the old one on there and it works just fine. So the real problem was this right here, this big piece, the I don't know how, the solenoid, whatever. Yeah, just replace that, guys. But again, I'm sure it's the same process for all vehicles. I don't know, but on the 350Z Nissan 2008, yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Again, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, guys, if you learn something from the video. Learn something from the video, or like the video, you know, or if you ever get this problem with your own 350Z. Alright, guys, peace out. See you guys next time on the next vlog.